What are the important points discussed in the meeting?
We had long discussion with our central leaders, and the discussion we had is like we should come back in the 2027 elections. We have to come back. BJP has to come back and decide again. And for that, what are the measures that we have to take up, and we have to work for the people. And all the MLAs have to go back to their respective constituencies, and we have to work with the people, and we have to have the people sit down so that we come back in 2027. That's what we discussed. Sakati government will come, but for that though, it won't be good for me to talk about it. Our president is there, our central leaders are there, and they are working very much on that. And what we believe is like it will be done. The government has to be done so that people are. We know like some people are not happy with us, and to bring back new hope to the people, we have to be. Government has to be there. To listen to the complaints of the public, to listen to the public, whatever they want. Without the government, it's not possible.
So, is there any discussion on forming a new government? No.
So, is the government? There is no anything like that. Whosoever is elected, there is no anything just like that. There is a confusion for the leaders and all that. There is nothing like that. And in the family BJP centers, the leaders are always chosen by the centers. But this time, what we are asking is like when they choose the leader, they all have to listen to all the MLA's opinions. And only then the center will be good. And the BJP party's central government has to be there, not someone central government that we don't want.
Some MLA have been.
No, he didn't say anything like that. He said if the center doesn't do anything for us, we may take some other steps. Centers in the leaders in the Kami is a human being. I steps he didn't mean anything particularly things like that. They are working on that. Public sentiment expect to see sentiment government amal leram taradi praja sing haibad ko chalaga SCC problem lere praja SCC problem lere haige to budo government je leitabni praja gi awaba laiba problem sing ko leader amon ko chalaga haibad ko leitabni na government is being much required and haibane and centers also have knowledge about it. They also working on it. I think they will do it.
But sir, there was no discussion on forming a new government. People's demand. This meeting was perhaps to strengthen the party organization to be much stronger than it was before, and it was mainly of party organization.
Any points regarding popular government?
Yes, he did reiterate that they will find ways to form a popular government.
The new government is likely to form
Within November?
No, we cannot just put, we cannot just be overnight. There are some certain process which needs to be taken up to form a government. Nothing on that. It was mainly to strengthen the party organization.
Okay. Thank you.